Here I am giving you 8 pair of equations in 2 variable, but they are all not in a linear form. What we have to do here, we have to convert them into linear equation, a pair of linear equation, and then we can have to solve these equations by the methods which I have explained. Now I am solving out of 8 problems. I am solving only 2 problems here. Now solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. Here I am giving 8 problems here. Out of these 8 problems, I am going to solve only 2, namely second problem and fifth problem here. Okay. Solution. The second problem, that is given that 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. Here let me take 1 by root x is equal to p and 1 by root y equal to q. So the equations becomes 2 into p plus 3 into q is equal to p and 4p minus 9q is equal to this is 2 and this is a minus 1. Let me call this is an equation 1 and this is an equation 2. They are linear equations in a 2 variable p and q. Now multiplying the equation 1 by 2, we get 4p plus 6q is equal to 4, and I will put the second equation below this one, 4p minus 9q equal to minus 1, and coefficient of p are here the same, so I will subtract them in one another, so they are getting cancelled, and this is 15q equal to 5, and therefore q equal to 15 by 5 by 15. 5 by 15, and that is 1 by 3, and substituting this value q equal to 1 by 3 in 1, we get 2p plus 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2. This implies 2p, and this is getting cancelled, plus 1 is equal to 2. 2p equal to 1, and therefore p equal to 1 by 2. And we have assumed that, but p equal to 1 by root x, and that is 1 by 2, and q equal to 1 by root y equal to 1 by 3. This implies root x is equal to 2 and root y equal to 3, and squaring both sides we have x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. This is the solution for the equation. Solution. Fifth example I would like to consider. Fifth example is what is that? 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y by xy equal to 15. This implies that 7x by xy I can write down minus 2y by xy equal to 5 and 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. So cancelling x and y in both the equations, we will get this is going to get cancelled and this is going to get cancelled, and this is this, so on so forth. What we will get, 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5 and 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. Call this is an equation 1 and this is an equation 2. Assume that 1 by y equal to a and 1 by x equal to b, then 1 and 2 becomes, what is that? 7a minus 2b is equal to 5 and that is 8a plus 7b is equal to 15. And let me call this as equation 3 and this is an equation 4. Multiplying the equation 3 by 7 and 4 by 2, we get what we get, 49a minus 14b is equal to 35 and 35, and the second equation becomes 16a plus 14b equal to 30. Now observe here the coefficients of b are one and the same numerically, I mean 14, 14. And therefore adding these two, what we are going to get, 65a equal to, this is going to get cancelled, equal to 65 implies a equal to 65 by 65, that is 1. Substituting this one, putting a equal to 1 in 3, we get 7 into 1 minus 2b equal to 5, and this implies minus 2b equal to 5 minus 7 equal to minus 2 implies b equal to minus 2 by minus 2, that is 1. And therefore 1 by y equal to a, that is 1, and therefore y equal to 1 we will get, and 1 by x is equal to b, that is also 1, and therefore x is also 1, and therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is the solution for the pair of equations